Hello class, this is Team 1, our assignment 2. We named it Name Adder. Here's the title, here's the text box, the 4 buttons, one to add the name, save the size of the form, reset the settings, and save the location. So if you type in a name here and hit add name, it'll add it to the list right here, the list view. If you don't put anything, you're going to get an error, and because it cannot be empty. And then if you put anything with a space, it will also put an error as well, saying that it can't have non-space characters. Also, it clears it out because nobody wants to keep deleting that text box. And if you put a really long word, it will also yell at you for going over the 15 character limit. So after that, so just to show you guys how the location and save size works. So first I'm going to show how the save size works. So I'm going to move it, save the size here, made it a little smaller, close that out. Oh, also, well, this works as well. So if there's a name in the form, it'll ask for that validation. So we'll just say yes right now. So do it open, so it's in the same location, but the size did change. So now we'll do it again, but let's change the size and then the location. So we're going to close that out and then pull it back. And it's the same size and change the location. I guess because I moved it so much, I believe it probably holds the location in that top left-hand corner. So, and then if we hit reset settings, boom, right back where we were. So, also back to the, I guess you guys kind of saw it when the cancel form came back up, but if it loses focus, it's no longer down here. It's right here, the notify icon. So, boom, click on that, and it brings it right back up. And so, and then yeah, the same thing here. So test, add name, boom. And if you hit no, it's not gone. It's still right here. The notify icon, we can pull it up, still holds it, all that good jazz. So right here, we have the properties to hold the size and the location. It originally has the desktop location, the default, right? And then, you know, sets and gets. And then this is the error provider. This is to validate the text box when it when you hit the add name button. And then this is the save size button, you know, so you set the start size to that, and then you save it to the properties. Same thing with the location, and then if you reset it, we reset everything, the default back, and then set those, save those into our properties up there. And this is where we validate, do the validating. So if it's null or empty, got that error. Like I said, we're going to clear out the, I guess we don't really need to clear it out if it's empty, but clear it out and then cancel the add name event. Same thing for, well, this has is non-space character, which is this right here. So it just kind of goes through the string using a for each. If there's any space, then we set that value to true and return that. Clear that out, and then same thing, if it's longer than 15, clear that out, set that error, and then boom, right there we set that error. And then this is where if it ever deactivates, we'll just hide that down to the notify icon. And then if the notify icon is clicked, we activate that window back up, and then this is where we set the message box to say, hey, are you sure? And then if you hit no, then cancel that. We don't want to close that. So yeah, that's our project.